Managing money on Notion, a versatile productivity tool, involves creating an organized system to track finances. Here's a brief guide. Budget database. Create a dedicated database for your budget. Include categories such as income, expenses, and savings goals. Use tables and linked databases for detailed entries. Income and expenses. Log all sources of income and categorize expenses. Notion's database properties can be customized for specific details such as dates, amounts, and descriptions. Savings goals. Set up a page or database to track savings goals. Include target amounts, progress, and deadlines. This helps visualize and work towards financial objectives. Transaction logs. Maintain a transaction log with details of every financial transaction. Link this information to your budget database for a comprehensive overview. Financial reports. Use Notion to generate financial reports. Summarize spending patterns, identify trends, and analyze where adjustments can be made. Due dates and reminders. Utilize Notion's reminder features to stay on top of bill payments, subscription renewals, and other financial deadlines. Attachments and receipts. Attach receipts or relevant documents to transactions. This creates a paperless record for easy reference. Collaboration. If managing finances with others, Notion allows for collaborative editing. Share your financial databases securely with family members or roommates. Mobile accessibility. Access Notion on your mobile device for real-time updates and quick input while on the go. Security. Consider using password protection for sensitive financial information within Notion.